Full accessories in the box. Install the light panel. Press firmly to secure. Adjust the light panel height by extending the rod, ensuring it stays attached to the base. Install the water pump plug. Insert the adapter. Press the power key to start. Fill each bottle with 100 milliliters pure water. Shake the nutrient solution well. Mix water and nutrients according to the ratio table. Add water to the red line. When the water gets low, the float goes down. 1L water, 5 milliliters A plus 5 milliliters B, SE up to 5L water, 4L water, 20 milliliters A plus 20 milliliters B. Note: store and use nutrient solution in a cool, dry place to prevent mold. Place in the basket. Place 2 to 3 seeds in, as recommended. Place the planting sponge in. Stick on the sticker, remove the center. Cover with the germination cover. Remove once the seedlings grow taller. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button for more than 2 seconds. Beep network mode activated.